have an Impress Nails haul and collection video. Hey guys, it's April and welcome back to my channel. Before I get started today's video, I just want to remind you guys to hit the subscribe button down below. It would really help my channel out a lot. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all the Impress nails that I have bought recently. Some are from CVS, some are from Walmart. Doesn't matter where I get them because I'm addicted to them. I've been wearing these for like almost 2.5 years, I think now. They are just amazing. I swear by these nails. So without further ado, let's just get started today's video. Okay guys, so today I have an Impress Nails haul and collection video. So I'm first going to show you guys all the new nails that I have gotten recently, which is kind of a lot, but I'll explain in just a second. So, okay, yeah, so these are the ones that I've already had. Ignore the cotton balls, I really don't know why those are there. So anyways, these are all the new nails that I've gotten lately. So the three up here, well, we'll just put these to the side for now, but the three over here I got at CVS. So CVS had like a deal going on where like if you spend a certain amount in beauty, you get like a certain amount in like extra bucks or something. I forgot what it's called. So like that's what I did, and so basically I got one of these for free. I just can't remember which one. But anyway, so this one that I got right here is really pretty. These ones are oval shaped and they have dark purple sparkly ones, dark purple matte ones, and light purple ones with rhinestones on it, which are so cute and adorable. These remind me of like princess nails, and this design is called So Unexpected. The next one I got is this really pretty one. They're shiny peach nails, and then the accent nails are like clear see-through with foil on them, and they are just so pretty, you guys. I was like obsessed with these when I saw them. And this design is called Symphony. Up next, fun fact, these are the nails that I wore when I got engaged. So I was really excited to like find this design again. This one has marble nails, gray nails, and sparkly accent nails. And this is in the design called Yeah Boy. Again, I don't know where they get their names from on some of these, but oh well, like they're so pretty, it doesn't even matter. Walmart's always $5.99, so I was like, might as well get these while I'm here. So this one reminds me literally of unicorn nails, and oh my gosh, this one actually matches. It's called Firefly, and these are so pretty. So like these nails have like some type of like pink, purple, and blue hollow design on them. These ones are like a matte purplish blue indigo color, and then the accent nails are sparkly, and these are just so pretty, you guys. Up next from Walmart, I found a matching set of toes and fingers. So the toes ones is called Sandy Shores, and then the fingers are called Shimmer. That one actually matches the name. So the toes are like a light pinkish color, and then the big toes are like a sparkly pink striped design. And then the fingers are a light peachy pink color, and then the accent nails have like, again, a similar glittery design to that, and then some of them are just solid glitter. So I was like, you know what, I should buy a matching set, because right now I have my matching set on of the teal ones. I have this one on with these on, and it's just too cute, you guys. Like, too cute. If you guys can ever find matching ones, I highly recommend to get matching ones, because it literally feels like you just went to the salon. So anyways, let's just move on to my nails collection. So these ones I kind of already went over. For the toes, I usually get a total of 2 manicures out of this. So all the Sharpie marks tell me how many manicures and pedicures I have left in each box. For the toes, I usually get 2. So when I use one set, I have 1 set left, because this one only comes with 24 toes. But these ones are really pretty. The little toes are like a sparkly gold color, and then the big toes are the teal with the gold stripes. And this one is called Sweet Tooth, which is really cute. The matching fingers have this design on it. So some of them have that stripe design, some of them have the solid gold design, and then all the rest are teal. So I have 2 of these left. Oh, and this one is called Bells and Whistles. Up next I have Harlem Shake, which I have 1 manicure left of. This one is just like solid white, and then the accent nails have like some type of teardrop design on them with gold triangles on them. Super cute. Up next I have 2 manicures left of this one. This is like a dark olive green matte color with some gold accent nails, and this one is called Funky Town, which I don't think goes with that, but anyways. Up next I have these blue nails that have stripes and like a gold accent nails to them. I have 2 left, and this one is called Swept Away. I really love this one. It's super cute, and I got a lot of compliments on this one. These two get a lot of compliments. And then up next, I have not opened these yet. This is the pedicure. It's like sparkly little toes, and the big toes have like that, I don't know what it's called, but like, it looks like it's been engraved or something, but it's like really cool and pretty. So I'm excited to try these out. This one is called Fancy Feet, which really goes with the name. And then the last set that I have are these, again with the carved looking thing, but these are blue. They're really pretty. And this one is called Craving. So this is all my nails that I have. I am obsessed with impressed nails. I figured out how to make them work on my toes because the issue was that all the big toes, even the smallest big toes that they have in the box, were too wide for my feet. So now I just use scissors and like I cut a tiny bit of the sides off until it fits my toe, and then I put it on. So now they last me like super easy. I don't have any issues with them. But yeah, so this is like my whole nail collection. So the reason why I bought so many is because, I don't know, I was just like, I need some nails that are like good for like fall, and I was just, I don't know, I just feel like I was running low and getting kind of bored with like all the nail designs that I had left, and I don't know, I just found so many cute ones, and I have like my bridal shower coming up and stuff, so I wanted to have cute nails for like little events like that. So that is why I have all these nails. But I'm really excited to use these all, and they will all definitely go to good use. So I'm not worried like when I splurge and buy a lot of nails, because I've literally been wearing nothing but these for the last like 2.5 years. Like, I swear by impressed nails. They always last me like a week on my fingers, and then on my toes, they've been lasting me like 2 weeks, which is really cool. So yeah, I'm obsessed with impressed nails. That is why I have so many. So I'm not worried about like stockpiling these, because I know that they will all go to good use. But anyway, so that is my updated nails haul and collection. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a glamorous rest of your day. Bye!